Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Illuvium. Alright, so Illuvium is a video game same as Axie Infinity, but it has more potential than Axie Infinity. So a lot of people are suggesting that it might go even further than this, and with its game, and has a lot of other options and stuff that are working on. And if we got to the website to check and see the game how it looks like, as you can see, this is it, and it might surpass Axie Infinity because it's an open world. Alright, as you can see with the price now, it's an all-time high. And again, before getting into any project, of course, as usual, please do your own research, check the project pros and cons, check all the content out there about the project, the cons and pros, and then decide. After you decide to get into some project, get in with money that you're willing to lose, okay? Because after all, this is crypto and everything can go south. Alright, so let's head to markets, and if we check, we will find that it's been listed on most of the platforms. So choose the platform that you want to use, of course, if you are comfortable with crypto, or Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. But on this video here I'm going to show you how to buy on Binance, okay? The process or the steps are similar because all these platforms are similar. Alright, you'll find all the links in the description if you want to use any of the platforms to create an account out there, okay? Either Binance or KuCoin or Gate, they are all great. And now let's get started. After you created your account, go to wallet. Again, these steps are similar and they are the same on all the other platforms, okay? So you can just go to wallet and go to fiat and spot, and or you'll find deposit. Click on it, click again on deposit. Now go to the coin and select the coin. So of course here on Binance it doesn't show all the coins, but you can type in the name of the coin that you want to deposit. For example, let's say XLM, and again choose the network or the chain that you want to use. So just make sure to use or select the same network on both platforms. So you're selecting this here, this network in here, make sure to select the same network on the other platform you're withdrawing from, okay? So now you've deposited your asset, give it some time to appear on your account, on your wallet and fiat and spot. You'll find that you've received your asset on your account. It might take some minutes, and then after you received the crypto, go to trade and go to classic. So as I mentioned before, this looks the same across all the other platforms as well. So just go and search. So if you have deposited anything other than USDT, you need to sell that for USDT so you can buy Illuvium. Alright, so let's say I deposited XLM. Choose XLM to USDT paired with USDT. So let's choose USDT, click on it, and here is the chart of XLM to USDT. On your case it will be the coin that you've deposited with USDT, and then scroll down here, and here you'll find the amount of XLM that you have, or the crypto that you've got. Scroll and select the amount that you want, if you want 100% or 50% of the amount that you've got on your account of that crypto, okay? And you can click sell. Alright, now that you've got USDT, let's scroll up and type in the name of Illuvium. As you can see, it doesn't show up, but if you typed in the abbreviation of the coin, which is ILV, so as you can see, here are all the pairs that are available to buy Illuvium with. It's BTC and USDT, BUSD and BNB. So that's why I told you to have USDT. It's a better choice. It's always there to buy or sell the coin, okay? So let's click on it, and here as you can see the chart of Illuvium to USDT. Scroll down, and here to buy Illuvium, okay? So this is the amount of USDT that you've got. So you can just select the amount in here if you want 25% or 50% or 100% of the amount of USDT that you've got on your account, and it will be selected, and it will show the amount of Illuvium you'll be getting using the amount you've selected of USDT. So in my case here I don't have that much, so that's why it doesn't show up how much Illuvium I'll be getting. But let's put in here an example of, let's say $100, and this is how much I'll be getting of Illuvium. Alright, using the current market price of Illuvium, which is this one here. Okay, but if you want to bargain and use another method, which is in here, you can see this is the current market price, right? You can put it in here, okay, and put in $100 here, and as you can see it will change the amount you will be getting. Okay, but as I told you before, again, if you want to bargain and use a method, which is this one here, so these here are people trying to buy with a lower price than the current market price, okay, and these here are trying to sell with a higher price than the current market price. Okay, so you want to buy with a lower price, so choose a price in here that is lower than the market price, but choose a reasonable price. Okay, so your order goes through faster. Okay, just click on any of these prices that you want to choose, just click on it and it will automatically get filled in here. Okay, now let's put in again $100, and this is how much I'll be getting. So it doesn't change that much because it's not a huge difference in here of the price. But if let's say the market changes to $40 and put in $100, so as you can see it changed. Okay, so that's it, just put in a price that is near the market price, and this the same goes for people that are trying to sell and sell with a higher price than the market price to make as much profit as they want. Okay, and again, why I told you to put in a price that is near the market price, because you don't want to put in a price that is down here and the market is going upwards and your order still down below, so the market wouldn't get down to the price that you put in to buy with. Okay, so you always need to check the market and see if it's going down or up, so your order goes through. Okay, so that's it. After you put in that, just click buy or using the amount that you want, and it will be appearing in here. This is the history of the orders you've put in. So for example, here I've put in an example of putting VET to USDT, and I put in a price that is super high than what it is right now. So if you check VeChain price right now, it's I think 13 cents, and they've put in like 70 cents, and the order's still in here and it doesn't go through. So let's say that you've put in any price that in here or in here and it doesn't go through, you can just cancel and you can put the order again. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.